Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how can you get the Spotify Premium for free. So at first just download the app Spotify, and after downloading the app just go to the app. Now in the app here you can see in the bottom right premium option, just click on it. After clicking it, here you can see the very first thing here, get premium option, the white one. You can try the premium for free up to 1 month. Just click on the get premium option here, the white one. After clicking it, here you can see you can get this for free for 1 month, and after 1 month you need to pay like $2 for per month. Just click on the continue with Spotify, this one, the green one, and after clicking it you just need to give your credit card or debit card details. After giving that, you can purchase this for free up to 1 month, and after that just cancel the subscription. So guys, this is how you can get free Spotify for 1 month. Hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.